Okay, I wanted to do a few examples on how ions are formed and how these positive and negative charges come about. So let's go ahead and let's look at lithium. Again, if you have 3 or less valence electrons, those are electrons in the last energy level, then atoms like to lose. And if you have 5 or more valence electrons in the last energy level, they like to gain. Atoms would like to have 8 or 2 valence electrons in their last energy level to become stable. The reason why atoms form ions is to become stable. So let's look at lithium. Lithium has got 4 neutrons and 3 protons in its nucleus. I'm going to draw a Bohr diagram. 1, 2, and 3 electrons. So if lithium has 3 protons, it's going to have 3 electrons. That means it has 3 positive charges and 3 negative charges. So lithium has 1 valence electron. That's 3 or less. So lithium is going to lose that 1 valence electron to another atom to become stable. So now it has a full outer energy level. It's got 2 electrons on the first energy level, which is now the last energy level. So now lithium has 3 positive charges because that hasn't changed, and it has 1, 2 negative charges. So that means lithium has 1 extra positive charge, giving it a 1 plus charge. So the symbol for a lithium ion would look like this. Let's move over and let's go ahead and look at, fluorine. Fluorine has got 9 protons and 9 neutrons. And if it has 9 protons, it has to have 9 electrons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So instead of losing 7, it's going to be super easy for this guy to gain 1. Again, remember, if an atom has 5 or more valence electrons, it is going to gain to become stable. It's going to gain enough to have 8 in the last energy level. So right now, this atom of fluorine has 9 positive charges and 9 negative charges. 9 positive and 9 negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's easier for him to gain the 1 valence electron. When he does, we have 9 positive charges. That hasn't changed. But now we have 10 negative charges. That leaves us with 1 extra negative charge. So the symbol for this ion is 1 negative. That's how kind of the backwards math happens when it comes to making ions. Remember, if you're adding negative charges, the overall charge on an ion is going to be negative, which is an anion. If you are losing negative charges, you're going to have extra positive charges. So now you're going to have a cation, or you're going to have a positive ion.